So this kit is for kindergarten 2 and it has total 6 books. It has Poetries and Stories, it has theme book, it has a practice copy for alphabet and numbers, it has 3 more textbooks. Every book covers 3 months program. So we'll open one by one and we can see what is inside it. So first let me open the Poetries and Stories. So first there are a few information that needs to be filled up by the children, and then it has indexing. So it seems like around 20 to 30 stories, and then it has rhymes, around 10 rhymes, and then we see the characters here. The Bobo is their character, so Bobo is the Valu, and then Jiffy, then this is Livo. So like that it goes, and it has being put together very attractive pictures and colorful pictures, so kids will enjoy reading this book. Then some of the things is as 8 big planets, and they are explaining the planets. So this is about stories book. I'll just keep it aside. Then we have the theme book, same fashion, and then it has colors and shapes. So this is interesting. They're showing yellow plus blue is green, red plus blue is purple, and then there are little experiment that they have to do. They have to mix the color with red and blue and then have to write the color name. So this is very creative way of teaching how the different colors comes. This is it's going to help the children for cognitive development. They have shapes, pentagon, septagon, hexagon, octagon and all. Now this is also, they have to explore their home and they have to find the correct shapes and names. So there are a lot of creative way of, this is seasons. So I believe every month there will be 2 themes that they have to study. Seasons, seasonal fruits, dress and everything they put together. So every theme is covered. So this is me and my family. So it's like a project. So they have to find and write a lot of things about me and my family. So it's like a worksheet based textbook. So they don't have to find some other way of writing the things. Body parts. Like that it goes on. It's very nicely designed. One book can cover all of the things. Plants and germination process, they have explained. Festivals. You'll get all this theme. So certain part is in Hindi. There is a solar system. There is a solar system, and they're talking about sun, earth, moon, all these things. So there is a little activity on the solar system. They have mentioned step by step what needs to be done. There is a little teacher's note also, so it can be helpful for the teachers. So that's about the theme book, and this is the practice book. So it has 2 way. One is left side is the number blocks, so they can write the numbers, and right side is alphabetic for the alphabets. So I think that's great, and they have around 70 to 80 pages. In the end they have teachers comments, parents comments, so that's a communication between the parents and the teacher, so they don't need another diary to maintain that. Same book could be used. This is the practice book. I'll keep it here. So let me take one of the textbook for senior KG. So part 2 I have taken, and first they start with learn about me, and children have to write few things which is interesting, and then the index part, which is divided into language, cognitive and numbers, and environment science. Every subject is divided into 3 ways: concept reading, pre-writing and writing, and activities. They have put together the entire curriculum for this 3 months, so it's easy for any teacher or parents to understand it. Then the interesting part is they have month wise and day wise. So this is month 4, day 1. Let's see what is there. So recap of blending words, so they are putting it, so children has to write and practice. Then matching same sounding words, then matching with same sounding words, all are going in a day 1. Then day 1 they have to arrange the ascending and descending number. then descending order they have to arrange the numbers. So with the picture they have to do, so it's easy for children to understand. And then day 1 it's still going on, circle the animal names. So I'm sure that this month the theme is animal. So like that, if you see EVS, the animal theme, animal plants, festivals, these are all the themes, so it goes with the theme as well. Then day 2 starts, so like that it goes on. So I'll just move ahead, and they have write the number names on the month 4 day 12. So it's very easy. You have to just go to the particular day and just get the worksheet done. And similar thing, if you are looking for lesson videos, you have to go to the free school mobile app where the corresponding lessons would be there. You can see those. Even the app will have a lot of interactive games and puzzles to develop their concept more deeper way. So here they are month 5 day 1, they are introducing line numbers. So they are showing how 1, 2 and all. And interesting is they are starting with 0, which is very important. So then they are showing that addition using the number line. Step by step they have explained. Then same concept they are using in next day for addition using the number line. I'm sure that plant is a theme for this month 5, so they are putting the plant and learning about the things about the plants. So like that it goes on. Many things I can see. They have the addition using objects. The CK sounds, match words. So I can see a lot of creative way it's being designed to take various aspects of learning through addition through objects, addition through number lines, and it's all worksheet based. It's very good quality. So it would be very easy for any parent, even who doesn't know how to teach. He can actually get the things done day wise, and it goes like a magic in online mode as well as offline, because the teacher's problem of referring to a particular page or books is completely taken care. So only thing they have to focus on a particular day and complete the day wise worksheets. And same lesson videos could be seen from the app, mobile app, which is School, iSSSCHOOL. So look at that, there's a little puzzles here, find and count, so they can count these insects and they can write there. They're teaching the sight words as well. So again, there are a lot of puzzle based thing. This is very important for the children to have understand the concept by doing the problem solving manner. I think various aspect has been covered in this book. So like that they have 3 books, part 2, part 3 and part 1. These are the 3 thick books, and then the practice book, then the theme book, and then the story books. Along with that they have a flashcard. So that's all for this book review.